Holy cow, honey. How do you do that so fast? You wax that thing?
No.
It's like you have wax on your board.
It's magic.
Oh, it's magic.
Magic.
Wait. Wax. That gives me an idea.
Really?
Well, when I push boards across my table saw, it's like they stick. I got to, it's like a weightlifting process, a workout to push the board across the table saw.
Wax would be good.
Maybe I'll try wax on it, see if it'll be slippery. Show me that again.
Wax or plastic, maybe?
I
didn't do a thing.
You are smooth,
It just
baby.
does it.
Okay, I'm going to go try this.
Okay.
Thanks for the idea.
Okay.
Here I am with my table saw in my shop, and I'm just ready to rip down some rails and stiles for some cabinet doors. And I was just noticing how sticky my tabletop is. I have to push with all my might to get this board to slide through. And yeah, it's a little sticky, but so is this. And I've heard stories about Minwax and what it can do for power tools. So we're going to experiment today. I bought this table saw brand new when we moved into this house. I used it by the edge of the door during a rainstorm, just like we have now. I got 2 water drops on it. We're in a humid climate. And this quickly turned to rust. 2 water drops. So I'm going to use, just experimenting. I probably should use steel wool, but I don't know where it is. I've got some 220 sandpaper. I'm just going to go over this lightly, see what it looks like. Clean it off. And then we're going to try some Minwax and see how my board slides over it then. So follow along with me. Let's get going with this. Okay, we're just going to do one more rub here. Looks like the wind's blowing a little sawdust back. I'm going to put it on the black part too. Our new rails. Uh-oh. All right, let's see what miracles we can do here. So basically what I have is this is Minwax paste finishing wax, and I tried something else another time, and I actually didn't realize that this is what it was. I bought paste wax in a car polish like turtle wax, and didn't work. Obviously I had the wrong thing. Stuff's pretty solid. So I'm just going to start up here at the top and just start rubbing it in. And I'm expecting a huge difference because, well, not that I don't enjoy building muscle, but it takes quite a bit of effort lately to push boards through this saw. And this is a brand new blade, so we're gonna see if this will make a difference. See if we can hurry and do this before the rain gets any worse out there. Obviously, we don't want it getting in here on our lumber. But we got to take advantage of the breeze while we got it. Whew. Man, we're really picking up some residue. All right, I think that's about the end of that paper towel. Don't know why I'm still using my wood gloves. I was just in the middle of pushing wood through the saw when I decided to do this. I guess that's why. Can you hear the frogs across the street? So I just finished ripping an entire sheet of, well, almost an entire sheet of MDF into small 2.5 inch strips for my cabinet doors. And I did it on the table saw that we just waxed with the Minwax. So does it work? Yeah, it really makes a difference. And I'm super, super impressed. So if you've got a power tool that's just sticky and causing extra work, try the Minwax. It's really good. And besides that, now maybe I don't have to worry about getting rust from the raindrops or splashes of water. So I'm really excited about this. I can actually open my garage door after a rainstorm and maybe not be so worried about a raindrop falling on my table saw. So anyway, it was a quick video. Just wanted to share that and my success there. So stay tuned for another one and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.